How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a 69 Firebird Convertible 350 numbers match motor in it. Car had a restoration about 10 years ago. It's a real nice cruiser driver. It's done in a gorgeous, brilliant red metallic with a white interior, white top. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes, got power top, your Rally 2s. So they did add a deck spoiler on them. Firebirds didn't come with a rear spoiler. Now it is an older restoration, but it's still a good looking car. Nice cruiser. Again, it's got your power steering, your power front disc brakes, power top. You know, the front bumper and the grills all look good. Looks like the bumper's been re-chromed. All the fender extensions fit good on the car. Car originally come out of California, it was built in California. Tell you, I really like the color combination. They did an AM/FM CD stereo there, nicely mounted under the dash. Got your front and your rear seat belts. It's got the parade boot for the top. Trunk's all nice. It's got the original jack spare. There's a bag for the top boot. Rear bumper looks good, but it's got a couple little spots in the chrome. Got your original center console and everything. We'll fire this thing up. Just nice, quiet, dual exhaust on it. Just a real good cruiser. Rev it up a little bit, makes a little noise. It's just a fun little car to cruise and enjoy. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.